And that's how I finish off the braid. So I don't add any glue. I don't add any knots to seal the end. I just braid down far enough past my natural hair that it will stay. See, it's not going anywhere. So that's how I do it, only using human hair. The best thing about this hair, it is pre-sectioned. All right, y'all, so let's check out everything that I have. I have 2 bundles to do this bob style, and each pack comes with 2. I guess you say I have 4 bundles to do this bob style. And see here, they are like already pre-sectioned out. Yes, yes, yes. And I also have some clips, a comb, an edge brush, and some lashes. So look, y'all, the hair is already pre-sectioned out for me. I can just grab and go. Y'all, how convenient is this? I love that, because y'all know I usually take my edge control, put it on there, and separate it myself. Like, this is exactly how it would look if I was to take my edge control and do it myself. But at least this time they're all pre-sectioned and the same size. I love that for me. Y'all know I'm going in with my fave, this braiding gel right here. Okay, so this is 1 pack, which is 2 bundles. I'm ready to start on my 2nd pack. 2 bundles. And I'm trying to add more per braid now that I'm at the top. Why is it 6 o'clock in the morning? And I'm in here fucking crying. I don't even know why I turned on this ER show, but I'm just trying to stay up, honestly. This is my last braid I'm gonna do for the night. Well, for the morning, because it is 6:30 in the morning. And then I'm gonna come back later on and explain what I've been doing, which is really simple. And let me tell you, having this hair, oh my God, it's a lifesaver. Like, usually it takes me way longer than a day to do my hair. And I started my hair late this afternoon, because it's very time consuming to separate this hair. But to have it already separated like this, where I can just pull from it, it's crazy. So this is about 1.5 packs of hair. It looks really good long too. Approaching the end, honey. I'm so excited. But let me explain to you guys what I am actually doing here. This is what I have left. I have a bundle plus this. So I'm going to add between 8 to 10 pieces on these last 4 rows here. Alright, so the good thing about this hair, like I said, it's already sectioned out. But I do like to go ahead and add some curly pieces to my leg, just so I'm not pulling from this, you know. And then, you know, I can just go ahead and grab from it right there. I'm telling you, using this pre-sectioned hair is a lifesaver. So I go ahead and start off braiding my natural hair. So just plait that down. Then add in my first piece. I like to just add in the tail end, so that I can have some hair pulled out towards the top of the braid. Pull that directly out, braid down, and then I add my second piece of hair, adding the end piece into my ring finger and my thumb, but also grabbing it with my middle finger. So I put it in between there, grabbing it with my middle finger, and then the hair remaining, I'll add that to this section of hair and braid down, adding another piece, same way, in between my ring finger and my thumb, and then grabbing it with my middle finger, braiding over. And then I pull out this section of hair. Usually I add it to my mouth, but I'm talking, so just gonna push it back here, braid down. And then just continue to add in pieces of hair and also pulling out pieces of hair as I work my way down. Pull that out. Continue to braid down, pull that out, add in a section of hair. And see, my hair is short, so my hair is ending about right here. So I continue to braid down and pull out sections of hair, but I also make sure that I'm finishing with 3 pieces of the curly hair so that I can continue to braid down a little bit past my natural hair. Like this. See, I'm all done with my actual natural hair. Now I'm just braiding the human hair. I'm gonna pull out one more section of hair, just splitting up this human hair and braid down a little bit more so it's not coming out or anything. And there. Usually I'll go in and cut these little pieces of hair sticking out, but I'm not this time because I just didn't do it. I didn't do it. Is it? Yeah. And that's how I finish off the braid. So I don't add any glue. I don't add any knots to seal the end. I just braid down far enough past my natural hair that it will stay. See, it's not going anywhere. As long as I finish with 3 pieces of the curly hair that goes past my natural hair, I'm good. But if you want to add some synthetic hair just to be on the safe side, and then you can burn the ends or add a knot, you can do that as well. I've done that before in like my previous video that I just posted. I actually used synthetic hair and burned the ends using my flat irons. Okay, so right here in the front, sometimes like my perimeter of my hair is not as thick or long as the middle. So there I do it a little different. I'll go in and add a piece of the human hair at the top as if it was like synthetic hair. So this piece isn't as short as other pieces, but I'm going to show you anyway. So I still start off braiding my natural hair. And then I'll take a piece of the human hair and add that in. And then braid that down. Because usually I'll just still be braiding my natural hair right here. And then I'll go to add in a piece of the human hair. But since this piece is a little shorter, I added it in at the beginning. Now I'll continue everything how I was doing it. Pull out that first piece. Add in another piece of the human hair. Braid that down. And then I continue adding in pieces of human hair and also taking out pieces of human hair. Then sometimes I will go in and add some edge control at the end of my hair if it's too much sticking out. Alright, now I'm going to finish off with these last 3 strands. Braid that down so nothing comes loose. And boom. So that's how I do it. Only using human hair, not adding any knots, not burning my ends. Because of course it will not burn. It will probably just turn into ash. This hair is so pretty. I was determined to finish with a middle part. That's why it's like my rows got a little bit more narrow towards the middle, because I was determined to make sure I finish with a middle part. Forever a middle part girly. To have a row of braids right here directly in the middle, no. Now if I wanted to keep the same size going all the way through, then yes, I would have ended up with a braid row in the middle. 4, 8. Okay, 9 more braids. Okay. And you can tell when I added more hair because this is just 2 rows and look how full that looks. But this is all I have left. I have 1 more bundle left and I have 2 rows left. That's why I had to make sure I spread it out in the back, and I was only adding what, 5 to 7 pieces, and then at the top I'm adding in between 8 to 10 or 11 pieces. Just gotta fill it out depending on what size your sections are. It's nothing to this style, just adding in the curly pieces as you would any other style. It's just that the best thing about this hair, it is pre-section. Oh, I gotta let these companies know, if you're gonna send me some hair and it's not pre-section, I don't want it. I don't want to do all that extra work. You do all the extra work. It's like, no, I gotta get my paper. Send me what you gonna send me, because I'm gonna make it work, baby. Tie will make it work. But this right here is a lifesaver. All right, let me go ahead and finish up this side, and we're gonna come back and cut this baby into a bob. All right, braids are all done. Let's see what the hair is getting before I chop it up. And this is what I had left, maybe a little more than half of the second bundle from the second pack. So you can say I used a pack and a half, pretty much. Yeah, really full. Look at the ponytail. Talk to me. I have my mind set on cutting it into a bob, but sheesh. Look at my ponytail. Like, I didn't even add any product. I don't even need any product on my hair. Okay, Tarika. A bob. This is so full. Oh my god. Okay, so just section the very front. About here. Okay, I really just went for that. It looked really good doing this bob with only human hair. Because my other bobs I've did, that's boho, I've added synthetic hair. And it looked really good with just human hair. Oh my goodness. Perfect. I'm not worried about cutting my hair because my hair is not this long. So I'm just snipping away. See, in the front, I didn't have to cut off too much. And then this was towards the back. So just that. All right. Cut longer than what I need, and then we just keep snipping from there. Even? Okay, let's keep going. Even? Okay, okay. And I am standing up. I think it helps to stand up as well. Oh yeah. Like that little girl when she was opening up her gift, she said, hell yeah. Hell yeah. I was a little nervous at first because I wasn't adding the synthetic hair to put the rollers at the end and do the curl. But this, oh my. You got me singing my. Oh, hell yeah. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Woo! Okay. Yeah. This is gorgeous, y'all. This is so gorgeous. Okay. Okay, yeah. Hell yeah. Can't stop saying that. Clock it. All right. This is the finished look. In love. Like, I'm so in love with these braids. Human hair only. Oh, this look. Let me know what you think down below. Click the link so you can go get your hair down below. Not only do the curls look so good on this, it's so full, it's pre-sectioned for you. Like, it doesn't get any better than that. 10 out of 10 recommend. Baby, this is what you want. Okay, I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. And then when I go to take it out, y'all be asking how to take it out. What I'm gonna do, take my comb and comb it out. Cause there's no glue, no knots, no anything. Look, no hair coming out. Pulling, tugging, nothing coming out. All right. See ya. And this is all that I cut off. Not much at all. So you need the longer length to get this look. You gotta get at least an 18-inch. Just a 20-inch, you need it. 18 may do. Blunt, baby. Same curl texture throughout. Ah! It can still go in a ponytail. Don't play. Don't play. Don't play with me. Bun. Oh, no problem. You Egyptian goddess. Because that's what it's getting. Don't play. Don't play with me. Don't play. Don't play with me. All right, y'all, so it's the next day. I just did my nails and I want to come on and show you my nails. And I'm like, why not show you how my hair looked the next day and how I tied up at night? But first, the nails, honey, look at my, yeah. I decided to try the duck nails and I am so in love. Don't get me wrong, I feel ghetto fabulous in these nails. But the key word is fabulous. They make me feel so good and they look scrumdiddlyumptious. Yes, go me. Ooh. I have a shorts on these nails, so I'll leave the link down below. Go check them out, baby. They're press-ons from Temu. Click my link down below so you can go get yours and go watch the video on them. So moving on, this is how I wrap my hair up at night. I just put a bonnet on it. By the way, these bonnets are on my website for $1. $1. Go get you 1, 2, 5, 6, or 10. Doesn't matter to me. Go get some. And I also have them in kid sizes as well. So, and just left the curls out. Try to scarf around my edges. Fluff it out a bit because it's a little flat, sis. Oh my, I love it. I love this hair. I love my nails. So all I'm going to do is just spray some water on it. Okay, I didn't put that much on there, but oh, look at the hair. And then I'm going to go in with my hair oil. This is also on my website. I don't know, it's cheap. $4, $5, something. Go get you one. Oh, yeah. Put that all in my scalpiana. A little more water. And this is how it look wet. Well, it's not wet, it's just a little damp. But that's how it looks. Nah, I'm gonna leave it down like this. Ooh. This hair looks so good. And my nails. My nails so cute. And my necklace. I made this necklace too, y'all. You'll see a link down below. Okay, y'all, so yeah. Just a quick little maintenance update. See you guys next time. Click the links down below. Peace out. For real, I think. Okay, y'all, so real quick update. It's been like 14 days. Yeah, because I did my hair exactly 2 weeks from today's date. And this is what my hair looked like. So everything still look good. No braids have slipped out or anything like that. And all I would do to it every day is water and hair oil. Of course, spray it. Spray my scalp. Of course, spray the hair. I haven't actually combed through this hair. The most that I've done is just detangle it with my fingers like this. Just to make sure nothing is tangled up or anything. That's all I have to do. It's that. And then, of course, take my hair oil and put that all throughout. And that's empty, but that's what I was doing. See, everything still look good.